Smooth Virus says, hey, quick update. Have a pending job as a contractor at a federal agency, and I'm going to be a cybersecurity team lead. Holy crap. Pending the finish of my background check. Well, congratulations, sir. Man, people are killing it. That's thanks to your resume marketing course. Man, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Oh, and it's all remote. Yep. That's my course, guys. If you guys didn't know, I have a course out there. It's helping lots of people all over the place. It's very valuable, so check it out. At the very least, check out the free stuff. Just sign up for free. It's at ConvoCourses.com. Here's the site right here. Check it out for free. Log in, check it out for free, and I'll be sending out newsletters here pretty soon. That's more free stuff, more content, just like I'm doing right now.